In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for learning and practicing English. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the basics or an advanced learner striving for fluency, ChatGPT offers an interactive way to enhance your English skills. Let's dive in and cover the steps to make the most out of this powerful tool. First, let's start by navigating to Google. You can open your preferred web browser and type in Google in the address bar if it's not already your homepage. Once you're on Google's homepage, the next step is to search for ChatGPT. So go ahead and type ChatGPT into the Google search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT. Now, among the search results, you need to look for the official ChatGPT website link. Click on it to access the platform where you will be interacting with ChatGPT. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll want to get started right away. But let's take a moment to understand a little about what you can do here. The main purpose of using ChatGPT in this context is to create engaging conversations in English. To do this, you'll be making prompts. Prompts are simply questions or scenarios that you give to ChatGPT to generate responses. To start, you might want to use an example prompt such as, "Make a sample conversation at the bank." This type of prompt will help generate a conversation scenario that mimics real-life interactions, which is incredibly helpful for practicing conversational English. After you've typed out your prompt, the next action is to click on the Submit button. Once submitted, the AI will process your request and create a text-based conversation that you can read through and practice. This method gives you the chance to see how typical bank conversations might be structured, what kind of vocabulary is commonly used, and how sentences are formulated. Finally, with the generated conversation ready, it's time to practice. Practicing these conversations is crucial as it allows you to familiarize yourself with various phrases and vocabulary, and ultimately helps to build your confidence in speaking English. You can do this by reading the conversation aloud, acting it out, or even using it as inspiration to create similar dialogues with a partner or by yourself. Remember, consistency is key. Regular practice with ChatGPT can significantly enhance your fluency and comprehension over time. I hope this tutorial has provided you with a clear pathway to use ChatGPT effectively for learning and practicing English. Thanks for joining today, and happy learning!